Infiniti is already making moves for the 2026 model year, just shortly after updating the QX50 for 2025. The big news? The QX80 is getting a new sport trim that replaces the outgoing Sensory model. Along with a small price bump across the lineup, the Sport brings fresh styling inside and out, making it a bold addition to Infiniti's full-size luxury SUV family. Starting at $104,140, the QX80 Sport only comes with four-wheel drive and sits right below the top-tier autograph trim. Compared to the Sensory it replaces, the Sport is $1,500 more expensive, but it adds more character. It features a redesigned front grille, a new bumper, and exclusive 22-inch wheels. Glossy dark chrome highlights on the mirror caps, front and rear bumpers, and emblems give it a more aggressive edge. Step inside, and you will find a sophisticated dark blue interior trimmed with wood and accented with more dark chrome details. At the very top of the lineup, the QX80 Autograph now starts at $113,690, which is $1,100 more than the 2025 version. Meanwhile, the entry-level QX80 pure rear-wheel drive model kicks off at $85,940, up from $84,445, partly due to a higher $2,190 destination fee. The Luxe trim also sees an increase of $1,495. No matter which trim you choose, all 2026 Infiniti QX80 models are powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged engine, producing 450 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. Fuel efficiency stays consistent, with 16 miles per gallon in the city and either 19 mpg for four-wheel drive or 20 mpg for rear-wheel drive. So whether you are drawn to the dark blue elegance of the new Sport or the fully loaded autograph experience, the updated 2026 QX80 lineup is shaping up to be Infiniti's boldest yet. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates.